There's some key terms that will help you manage your projects in WeVideo. We know what a folder is. Folder is a collection of different projects that you have organized. A project is a collection of edits. You can have multiple versions of a video project, and an edit is one of those versions. From the home menu, if you click on projects, you'll come to your projects page. Here you see I have 155 projects. They're organized by folders and then individual edits below. In this menu up here, you can add a new project. You can add a folder if you have similar projects you want to organize, or you can sort, or you can look at it through a grid view or a list view, and then you can search the contents of your projects for any key terms that you have for your project and edit titles. There are two projects here, and if I clicked on practice one, for instance, I would get to the edits available in that project. So you can see I have two earlier edits, and then the final one here, I gave a name and a thumbnail. You can see I've got 3 edits right there. So the key information here really is to know that these terms are useful in organizing and managing and accessing your work. Sometimes you can't find it. Go back and look in your folders and your projects for the specific edit that you want. Making multiple edits allows you to save your original, and it also allows you to create specific videos based on your purpose and your audience. So to go to a project that you're continuing to work on, let's say you wanted to go back and keep working, you would go to that home menu, click on projects, click on a folder if you created one. Otherwise, look for your project and then pick the edit that you want.
Yay!
When you come back to WeVideo and you want to work on a project, you might want to scroll down right here to see the recent projects. Usually the last one you worked on is right there.